might surprise you. These rugged machines come from a company that originally worked in aviation, so while they don't fly, they sure move fast, hitting speeds up to 100 kilometers per hour on the road. But speed isn't the only thing that makes the Baron vehicles stand out. It's their smart, modular design. Need an ambulance? No problem. One version can fit up to 4 stretchers. Need a heavy-duty truck? Another setup can carry up to 10 tons of cargo. These vehicles are built to adapt quickly to different missions, whether it's rescue, transport, or logistics. And despite all that flexibility, the Baron doesn't compromise on safety. Reports suggest it can protect passengers and crew from a 6-kilogram explosive fired from 80 meters away. That makes it both practical and protective, a rare combo in vehicles that do so much. Whether you're on a mission or just need a reliable workhorse, the Baron series has you covered.
Script rephrased. Imagine a rescue vehicle so tough it can drive straight into danger and pull survivors to safety. Meet the IAG Armored Rescue Crane, a machine built for extreme conditions where ordinary vehicles fail. This isn't just a crane, it's a fortress on wheels. Its armor shields against 7.62 by 51 mm NATO rounds, mine blasts beneath the vehicle, and even direct impacts from wheels or tracks. In short, it's designed to keep rescuers alive while they save others. Inside, a 2-person crew operates with precision, a driver and an operator. Together, they can lift and move loads of up to 13 tons, making it vital for clearing debris, lifting damaged vehicles, or pulling survivors from collapsed structures. Powered by a 380 horsepower diesel engine, the Armored Rescue Crane comes in both 4x4 and 6x6 versions, giving it unmatched versatility across rugged terrain. In disaster zones or conflict areas, this machine isn't just equipment, it's hope on wheels. A true game changer for rescue missions where every second counts.